Hi all, welcome to day 6 and question 49, group anagrams. It's a medium level question and the description goes as follows. Given an array of strings, SRTS, strings, group the anagrams together, you can return the answer in any order. For those of you who don't know, an anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of different word or phrase, typically using the original letters exactly once. So, I don't know, cat and ACT are an anagram, while dog and cat aren't. So the example here displays that. We have a bunch of strings, eat, tea, tan, ate, and can't do this off the top of my head, but the anagrams grouped together would be bat, nat, tan, ate, eat, tea. Sweet, that makes sense. The property between the similar properties that these anagrams share is the count of letters. Is the letter count of the string. So basically, I'm wondering if for str and let's say s in strs, can we do print counter of s, just to see how it works. What I'm thinking of doing is having a default dictionary here, default dict of type list, and using the counter as a key to a list of values. So something like this, d key append s. Now what would that do? This key would define the property of having the same count, and value would be the string appended to a list of strings that share that property. And returning d values would actually just result in the correct answer. Now the only problem here, I think, is that key should have the property hashable. So it should be hashable, and counters nor counters are sets, or sets are hashable. So let's hash counter. Let's have a function called def hash counter that's going to be passed into it, and let's hash this. And the way we're going to hash it is just for key value in counter items. So I'm simply going to say let's have an R here. I'm going to say R append, and this one is going to be let's do extend key value. Now both of these have to be strings, and they already almost are, at least the key but not the value. And what we would return is a string join R. So this returns a string. If we were to hash this guy, we should get the correct answer. Value eval. Val. I meant val. All right. I'm not. What did I do wrong? Expected bat t. Let me see what the key ends up being. Let's see what the key ends up being. Something is E1. Right, so what's happening is the key, it's not guaranteed that this array is going to look identical even with an identical counter. So what I'm going to do is actually just run through. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. Alphabet is going to be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Z. And instead of doing this, I'm going to say for C in alphabet, and I'm guaranteed to stumble upon all of the characters here. All of the characters in the counter at least once. This is going to be the character, and the value is going to be counter at C. That way, we're guaranteed to return a string that would be identical if the two counters are identical. Let's remove this print and submit. Hopefully I got the alphabet correct, but that should do the trick. And there we go. We are set. Okay. Yeah. Please use this if you want. And with that, I'll end today's video. Like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.